Hello friends, welcome to my channel Yummy in my tummy. I am Eklavya and today we are making a super delicious au gratin toasty. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's look at the ingredients. To make this au gratin toasty, first we are gonna need to make the au gratin. So to make this au gratin, first we're gonna need to make the white sauce. So to make the white sauce, we need 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of white flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar and salt to taste. Oops, I forgot to tell you, we also need 1 glass of milk, not for drinking, for putting in the white sauce. So now let's get on to making the sauce. So let's start with making the white sauce for this recipe. I've got a pan on medium flame and I'm gonna add 40 grams of butter. Once the butter has melted, we'll add 50 grams of white flour. Whoa. We have to keep cooking this for 2 minutes on low flame until the flour is slightly golden. It took me 4 minutes. Now my flour is slightly golden brown. Now let's turn in a bit of milk. I'm taking 1 glass of milk and keep stirring it while pouring. Whoa! I need to add 1 glass more milk. It's thickened up. After this, it will become to the right consistency. Keep stirring while doing this. Do you see it? It has come to the right consistency. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You need to keep stirring it continuously. So that no lumps form. Let's add salt to taste. And our white sauce base is ready. This is the type of consistency we need. Whoa. Now that our white sauce is ready, let's see how to make it into an au gratin. We're gonna saute these vegetables lightly in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I have 100 grams of button mushrooms, 100 grams of onion, 50 grams of capsicum, all chopped to the size of the sweet corn, which is 150 grams. We are going to saute these vegetables in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 2 teaspoons of garlic. So now let's start sauteing the vegetables. So let's start sauteing the vegetables. I have a pan on medium flame, and now let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now that the oil is hot, let's add the onions. We are not going to saute these vegetables a lot because we don't want them to be fully cooked. Now let's add the garlic. Now that the onions are transparent, let's add the capsicum. And sooner the corn. Now let's add the spices. Chili flakes, black pepper powder, and the Italian seasoning. Now let's mix it up. Now let's add the sweet corn. Now, now let's add the mushrooms. Ooh, you see all the color in here? It's gonna be yummy. Now let's add salt as per taste, and then we are gonna switch this off after 1 minute. It's gonna be yummy. I can feel it already. See, my veggies are done. Now I'm gonna turn off the flame and add in the white sauce. Okay, where's my white sauce gone? Okay, now let's add the white sauce. If you have any leftover white sauce, you can always use it to make white sauce pasta. Our au gratin is ready to go on our toasty, but first we have to let it cool down. Let's see how to make the toasty. I have taken 8 slices of bread because I am making this for 4 people. And also I have taken some mozzarella cheese to put on top. You can take as much mozzarella cheese as you like because cheese is love. Now that our au gratin is ready, it's time to make our awesome toasty. So here I have slightly toasted my bread slices, and now I'm gonna layer the au gratin on the bread. Here. Let's layer all the toast with the au gratin like this. Now I have layered all the bread with the au gratin. Now let's layer them with the mozzarella cheese. You can be generous with the cheese or take a little bit less. Now that we have layered these, we are gonna bake them in a preheated oven for 250 degrees for 10 minutes, sorry. Light on. Now let's put this into the preheated oven and wait for 10 minutes until this yumminess goes into my tummy. I think our toasties are ready. Let's check. Okay, I think they need another 5 minutes. You have got to try these. These taste like out of this world. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yummy in my tummy.